Oh, you're gonna get a kick out of this. The other day, a wizard misfired on his cast, torched my whole cart. Oh gosh, at least your horse was okay. The horse is worth 5 silver pieces. But the horse is alive. A life is worth more than a cart. Not this horse. And it was a nice cart. You know, what you need is a horse that can move a cart out of the way of an errant fireball. Well, not anymore! I already have a stupid horse. And no cart! Alright, calm down. What was on the cart anyway? Just a bunch of your stuff.